Good morning. Another lovely day in Central Florida. Nice warm 72 degrees, beautiful skies, calm winds, wonderful pictures, peace and quiet surrounding me. Only a couple of people on the lake this morning. Felt like I had it all to myself. Exactly what the doctor ordered. If you're watching this on YouTube, please press the subscribe button. If you're not, perhaps you should be. Rick Helbling, old guy walking. And just listen to the music and look at the pictures of our beautiful sunrise this morning and have a